Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily work with the SQL AND operator. The AND operator used to filter records based on more than one condition. So for AND, you can say you can display record if all the conditions separated by the AND operator are true. That means all the conditions fulfill, all the conditions satisfy, and all of them are true. So guys, herein we have AmitDB database. Within that, we created a table, employee table. The following are the columns of the employee table. Now let us see the records of the employee table first. Select star from employee from table name, semicolon, select, execute. On executing, let us see the output. Herein you can see ID, employee name, city and salary columns. So let us use the AND operator and include more than one condition separated by AND operator. So herein we will display employee records whose city is ABC and salary is 7,000. So this will allow us to fetch specific records. So we'll be including both the conditions that will display the employee name Tom. Let's see. Select star from employee. Let me write it again. Now remove the semicolon. Now I'll add the conditions using the where clause, where city I told you is ABC and we are using the AND operator, and salary is equal to specific salary 7,000. That's it. Add semicolon and let's execute and see the result. Execute. Herein you can see we are able to fetch the salary with 7,000 and city with ABC for the employee name Tom. So we could have also set the values for, let's say, I'll execute it again to display all the records. So let's say I want to display the specific employee name Will with the city ABC. So the city is ABC only, but the second condition also should satisfy. So herein, let's say I want to display 6700. So what I'll do, I'll just mention less than and everything looks fine. Select it, click on execute. Herein, you can see the Will employee name is visible because the salary is less than 7,000 now. So guys, in this video, we saw how we can easily execute the AND operator in SQL Server. It satisfies both the conditions separated by the AND operator. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.